So, we've poured in loads of shotcrete, our walls look all messy and rough, and we have a limited time window to make these surfaces shine. So what do? Well, after shotcrete is sprayed, we have a short window to begin finishing. The timing is important because we need the shotcrete stiff enough to hold shape, but still be pliable enough to be worked on. After shotcrete is sprayed, the screeding process begins before too long. Screeding is the first shaping step, done to level the surface and remove excess concrete. It turns these bumpy, uneven walls into something recognizable. The tool we use is called a screed, which looks like a long aluminium bar, often brightly colored to make it easy to differentiate against the concrete. Shotcreting is an inherently wasteful process, so we do tend to scrape away amounts of it during the process, preparing it for troweling. And what is troweling, you may ask? Here, it's a closing step in material smoothing, and in this case, that'd be the shotcrete. Instead of simply getting a rough shape and scraping excess material, we're getting rid of imperfections while also improving durability. It's also the phase where textures can be made, but for now, we're just making very beautiful, smooth walls. For this job, we used a finishing trowel, a much shorter tool with a steel blade made for finer work, as compared to screeding tools. You can see the workers here using tools to trowel and finish the shotcrete walls, as well as shovel away the excess shotcrete, which can leave a bit of a mess. It's been a long day of shotcreting, screeding, and troweling, and work is still going on. Our nozzle operator is still hard at work filling in the rest of the walls, and the finishing team will be right behind him, moving wall to wall, ready to make every section as nice as possible. Concrete work is also covered as part of council inspections, so find out what our site manager has to say about it.
Usually on site, as I said, we have an inspection from the council as well as structural engineer, geo-engineers. So we have to document everything, and every week council inspector comes and inspect like all the documents as well. For example, even we need a docket from the concrete company. When the concrete truck arrives, we take a docket so that we have a proof that we use what grade of concrete for what purpose.
It was a great time watching all the work happen in person, and there's still so much more to come. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see the next phase of this exciting build. And if you're looking to do a new build or renovation in Auckland, check us out at viken.co.nz.